Alright guys, so I need some help. I'm trying to figure out, hold on, let me turn on the light. Oh, these on. So I'm trying to figure out if I have a bad lamp or a bad starter, because every time I take the starter off, a bunch of smoke comes out. It's not doing it, hold on. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. But like a lot of smoke comes out. It starts burning up and stuff when I take the starter out. So I don't know if it's the lamp or the starter. If anybody could tell me what the problem is, that would be really helpful. Here, I'm gonna do it again. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but there's like a ton of smoke coming out of there.